I gave Roscoe a box. He likes that box. Roscoe, baby! Roscoe! Roscoe! I want to come down the stairs. It's crazy. Come on! Go get it! No. Roscoe! Come on! Roscoe! Treat? Your treat? I wonder if I'll be able to capture this. Okay, treat. Ah! A little spaz pup. Sit. Lay down. Oh, who's a good boy? No, sit. Sit. Nub. Oh, look, they're called Canadian cuts. That's cute. Lay down.
Oh my god.
Lay down.
Is there a Rousey out here?
Yeah, there was a Rousey out there. I gave him an empty carton of eggs. I have it on video too. What is this? What is this? What is that? Okay, it's like a pepperoni, I guess. That's cute. Alright. Good boy. That's all.